Pakistan has witnessed massive displacements in the recent past. The repatriation of Afghan refugees in 2007, the internally displaced people from Swat and Malakand in 2008, and now the latest exodus from South Waziristan. The recent displacement is definitely affecting the country's economy and has also become a security threat. Usually, in situations like this, the United Nations steps in and takes control. But this time, it has been told by the government of Pakistan to hold back.
If they think they can take care of this population, then they may not need international assistance. However, if they feel that they need international assistance, we are ready.
The initial influx of 80,000 IDPs is being assisted by the UN agencies. But the government has taken charge of the new wave of over 150,000 people. South Waziristan's population is about 250,000. The majority has moved to safer locations since the beginning of the military operation. To respond to such a load of IDPs, the World Food Programme has been preparing for some time, and emergency relief has been pre-positioned in the area. The agency has taken this initiative even though no request has been received from the Pakistani government.
The United Nations system in Pakistan is also clearly monitoring the situation, and in coordination with the government, we are ready. Once there is a need of our assistance, we can immediately step in. We have food, we have implementing partners, we have the money available, we can quickly step in.
Some of the IDPs from South Waziristan have either moved in with their friends and relatives, and others are living in rented accommodation in the Dera Ismail Khan or Tank districts. According to the UN officials, government authorities might consider setting up camps at some stage. However, the UNHCR and its partners are ready and prepared to assist in the setting up and the running of the IDP camps. The most urgent needs of the IDPs from South Waziristan are food and health care. The UN agencies and their humanitarian partner organizations have assisted the first wave of South Waziristan IDPs with emergency interventions. But the assistance is not extended to the new influx of displaced persons by the WFP, as the government is confident that it can look after the matter itself. And with the current deteriorating situation in that region, it cannot be foreseen whether the government will be able to take the load of fresh IDPs or not. Danial Khan, DawnNews, Islamabad.